What's good, YouTube? This your boy Finesse God, Iggy Diggy, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with another mother unboxing. So before we even get into it, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe for me if you haven't already. Disrespectfully slap the hell out that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload. And yeah, man. If y'all like more content like this, let me know. And we're going to keep dropping it. Even if you don't like content like this, I'm still going to keep dropping it. So I guess that last line really wasn't for no reason. So, yeah, I'm talking too much. Let's get into the box. But now, so this box, this package actually is coming from BTSN. I ordered this shit like last week and it's already here. Like, it came from overseas if I'm not mistaken. So, shouts out to them for the expedited shipping that I did not pay for. But shouts out to them. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. That's nice. I like the way they say it. It said, damn. It's so okay. So it's BSTN. I said it wrong, and it say feed fam fuck fame. It's a lot of F's, and the F stand for fuck. But nah, man. Today we got some cheese. If I can get them out of here. Damn, this is a nice ass box. This hole heavy than a hole. And today we got some Please Don't Mind Raps. I hate that song. Shouts out Savage Beauty for putting that song in my damn head. Please Don't Mind Raps. But nah, man, today we got a pair of Raf Simone. And his runners. This is my first pair of Rafts, so hopefully they're the right size. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop-a-roni these out. Oh, you get a dust bag? Oh shit, this is high fashion street wear. Shit, you get a dust bag? I don't know what you get the dust bag for. I don't really be using dust bags like that, but shouts out for the packaging. Alright, so y'all already know how we do. Y'all see the shoe before I do, and then y'all let me know if it's ass or not. But, I mean, they really don't be working because I'm going to see. We'll just get to it. Alright, so if this that. What the fuck was that? What is this, a shoehorn? I think these go on the back of the shoe. I think these go on the like. I don't fucking know. I don't know fashion stuff. I'm used to Airwalks and shit. Alright. Is this the shoe? Y'all see it? These shits is heavy. I think I got it. Alright, so this is the shoe. Y'all getting white blasted to hell. But now these are, ooh, these hoes clean. Smoother than a razor. I shouldn't have wore these bitches in the daylight. I be on TikTok too much, dog. But nah, man, so these the shoes right here. I did not know they came with separate pieces. My God, these are heavy. Boy, these the Jones Bone Crusher was stomping on niggas with in that video. Never scared. God damn. Big RoboCop stompers. Big big Schwarzenegger ass shoes. God damn. Alright, so let me clean this up. Alright, so these are shoes right here. The Raf Simons Cylon 21s. Yeah, Cylon 21s, that off-white colorway. I'm a little nervous about sizing. They look fine, but I was reading reviews. Some people say they small, some people say they big, some people say they true to size. You never can tell with bees, but with shoes. So I'm gonna try them on and hopefully they fit, because this was like the only size 12 I could find for like less than retail, because retail on these is crazy. But I'm gonna talk about all that shit in the On Feet review, so just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, overall, first thoughts and opinions, they clean as hell, but they heavy than a motherfucker, bro. Like, these is shoes, nigga. Like, these are jumps the Power Rangers be morphing into, nigga. Like, damn. But yeah, overall, I think it's a pretty good purchase. recently I've been on like these Reebok Mason Margiela joints. That's like this same colorway, right? Because I did not know about these, and the only reason I didn't buy the Reeboks and pull the trigger on them is because I was like, dog, them hoes like two something. I am not trying to pay no two something for some regular funky ass Club C's. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, if I'm gonna be paying money, I want to pay money for some good shit. So I seen them on my side, seen them. They was less than retail, so I went ahead and caught. But overall, I think they clean. They just heavy than a bitch. But I'm talking way too much, so I'm gonna get on up out of here. Me and Savage Beauty about to go get some food or something. If she can make her mind up on what she want to eat, she probably heard me. But yeah, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe for me if you haven't already. Join the God Squad, best squad on YouTube. More vids, more content on the way. Yeah, man. I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to try these on. Hopefully they fit. And if not, I'm going to be depressed. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace. These some stompers. These what they cross over to Valhalla in.